In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Microsoft OneNote. A Kanban board is a simple, visual way to manage work by moving tasks through stages like to do, in progress, and done. It's perfect for keeping focus, seeing bottlenecks at a glance, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. We'll build it using a table in OneNote so it's flexible, searchable, and easy to update. Start by opening OneNote and choosing the notebook and section where you want this board to live. Create a new page and give it a clear name, such as Kanban board, so you can quickly find it later. Keeping everything in one dedicated page makes the board easy to maintain and share. Next, insert the structure for your board. Go to the Insert tab and choose Table. Select a 3-column table to mirror the classic stages. In the first row, label your columns To Do, In Progress, and Done. If you already know you'll need extra stages like Backlog or Review, you can add more columns right now. You can also adjust column widths by dragging the borders so your task titles fit comfortably. Now add your tasks. Each cell beneath the headers acts like a task card. Type a short, action-oriented title for clarity. If you want to include more detail, add a short description on the next line, list a few subtasks, or type a due date. OneNote's Home tab gives you helpful tools. Apply tags like important or question to call out priorities or open issues, and use highlighting to color code urgency or ownership. Consistent formatting helps your board stay readable as it grows. As work moves forward, update the board by moving tasks to the correct column. OneNote doesn't support dragging table rows, so here's the quick workflow. Select the task text inside its cell, cut it, and paste it into the target column. Keyboard shortcuts make this fast. Cut, switch to the new cell, and paste. Aim to move tasks as soon as their status changes, so the board reflects reality. Finally, customize your board so it matches your workflow. Add columns like Backlog for future ideas or Blocked for items waiting on something else. Use color highlights consistently to signal priority levels, and lean on tags to surface what needs attention in a hurry. If you ever outgrow the layout, insert additional columns or split tasks into separate rows to keep things tidy. That's it. Your OneNote Kanban board is ready. Keep it simple, update it frequently, and let the columns tell the story of your progress.